Good morning. Did you know that some of the AMCs have been around for over a century? That's right. Some of these companies have been managing investments since the early 90s. This means they have weathered multiple economic cycles, two world wars, Cold War, and multiple major financial crises. So this is what drives me each day. That has been always, will be, and in the future also. So hi, my name is Abhay. I'm a recent MBA graduate from School of Management Studies, CUSAT. My specialization during my uh, college days includes marketing and finance, and I have strong foundation on both of these. Also, I have taken multiple certification which are useful for the job and this firm. During my time at CUSAT, I focused on building expertise in asset management companies and other key skills. For instance, I am regular attendee of the finance club and analytics club, which help me well in understanding the market. So I know how important these finance and analytics is in this job. I have also completed certain certification that are useful for this job. That is the 5A and 21A certification which is necessary. I am particularly drawn to the ICC Prudential because they are the pioneer in AMC in Indian market. I am also eager to join your prestigious team that values innovation and work culture. I am excited about the prospect of joining your company and contribute to its continuous growth and success. I would welcome my opportunity to discuss my qualification further and learn more about the potential role within the firm. Thank you.